Hi, this is Tiffany with Money TV, and today we have one of our students, Joaquim, interviewing one of our professors, Dr. O'Laughlin, about filing taxes.
Hi, my name is Joaquim, and I'm here with Dr. O'Laughlin. She's gonna talk about filing your taxes when you're a student. Dr. O'Laughlin, who has to file taxes?
Well, the first thing we want to look at is how much money you made. So unless you made more than $3,700, you don't need to file taxes because the standard exemption is $3,700, so that would wipe out your income. So unless you make more than that, you don't even need to file taxes.
Correct. And who could claim you as a dependent?
Well, depending on what your status is, you can claim yourself, or your parents may be able to claim you, or a legal guardianship, depending on what your legal status is. So it kind of depends on the situation. You may be able to claim yourself, or your parents may be able to claim you.
What about the educational credits? Who can claim them or are able to receive them?
Okay, well that's a big tax credit. So whoever claims you as a dependent, whether it's yourself or your parents, whoever claims you as a dependent, the education credits go with that person. So if your parents claim you as a dependent, they get to take the education credits. If you claim yourself, then you get to take them.
And Dr. O'Laughlin, what are the two education credits that students can have?
Well, the two main credits are the American Opportunity and the Lifetime Learning credits. And the American Opportunity is the biggest credit, but it's only good for the first 4 years of college. So if you already have a bachelor's degree and you're working on your master's, you cannot claim the American Opportunity. You can still take the lifelong learning, but not the American Opportunity. And the American Opportunity is good for the first $4,000 of allowable expenses, and that's mainly tuition and fees. It does not include your room and board. So that's the big one that everyone likes to take. But for those of you who already have a degree, again, the lifelong learning credit is good forever. So if you happen to be a CPA and you have to do continuing education every year, you can always claim that for lifelong learning.
Dr. O'Laughlin, I heard that the School of Business has a program that they help the community and the students prepare their taxes. How does that work?
That's the VITA program, the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program, that's sponsored by the IRS. And here in Colorado, we have the Piton Foundation that runs the Tax Help Colorado, and they actually help underwrite some of the costs of this program. It's a great program for students, for the college, for the community. So students actually get trained and certified to prepare and file taxes. So if you're here at Adams State as a student, you can come into our VITA site. Fellow students will prepare your taxes. They all go through a quality review process. So faculty and or students who are certified to do quality review will review the taxes and electronically file them for you. So this is a really good benefit. We also do this during College Bowl Sunday, so your parents can come in at that time. And while you're working on your financial aid, you can have your taxes done at the same time. So we also do taxes for community members. So if you live in the community, your families can come in and have their taxes done. And we'd be happy to help students. Students learn a lot about interviewing taxpayers and about actually filing tax returns. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. Good program.
Right. Thank you, Dr. O'Laughlin, for explaining our new students about filing their tax returns.